Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Children, today we are going to learn and understand the poem 1.4. Children are going to school. It is in your textbook, page number 10. So, the poem name is Children Are Going to School, written by the poetess Nida Fazli. Basically, it is a translation of a Hindi poem, बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं. In the poem, the poetess is proud to say that the children are going to school. See children, we being from a good and from middle class families, we get a chance to go to school and get educated. But the children from poor families and villages, due to lack of money, they don't get proper education. But still our government and many NGOs are trying to reach every nook and corner of society, and more number of people get educated and the literacy rate increases, and it's been increasing over the years. So let's begin children. First I would like to read the whole poem for you all. So please pay attention while listening to the poem. Children are going to school. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again the sky bows his head in respect, for children are going to school. The sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. Through the green-topped branches, breezes sing their songs of blessings. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush, deep foliage waves his hands, for children are going to school. Angels of light have set out. Every road is a gleam at this hour. Every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time, sitting on an old roof, flies pigeons in the sky, for children are going to school. So this is the poem children, and I want you to learn it by heart. So we all know children that in this poem the nature means the sun, trees, birds is happy when children are going to school. And we all know usually the school is in the morning, and so the morning light spreads over the earth. It has two meanings. Morning brings positivity in our life, and light shows that the night has gone. It's a fresh day with a new start. So the sky is clear and is spreading its light of positivity and energy, and showing respect by bowing down to the children. The sun rises from the river and is dressed in his golden muslin turban. Usually when we see sunrise or sunset, we feel that the sun has taken a dip in the river, but it is not true. We just feel that way, that the sun has risen from the river, and it is dressed in golden muslin turban, means whenever there is sunrise the whole sky turns golden. So the poet is saying it looks like the sun is wearing a golden muslin turban. Muslin means it is a soft cotton cloth. So here the sun is being compared to a human being, that it is shining at it is smiling at the children and wearing a golden turban. So we will say the sun is personified. Children, what do you mean by personified? When in poem the things are compared with human beings, that is called personification. So the environment is so happy by seeing the children going to school that the green branches of trees are dancing as breeze is flowing over them, and the flowers with their beautiful fragrance means nice sweet smell, are waking up the sleepy roads. Why sleepy roads? Because it was a night yesterday and it is morning now, and the flowers are waking up the sleepy roads with their sweet smell. So the people tree is also waving his hands for the children going to school. So the people tree is also compared with human or living things, that it is waving its hands. That means the people tree is personified. Angels of light are sun and the sky. The angels means the messenger of God have come up and lightened up the roads through which the children are going to school. At this hour, everything on this earth is happy and shining brightly like a mother's heart. Why it is compared to the mother's heart? Because mother's heart is pure and with full of love and affection. Similarly, when the children are going to school, every particle on the earth, the sun, sky, trees, breeze, birds, flowers, is filled with love and affection for the children. Time is since forever. It is before every one of us and it will be after every one of us. So the poetess is saying, time is sitting on an old roof and it is flying pigeons in the sky. For the children are going to school. So when children will go to school, everyone will be educated and there will be peace everywhere. So this was the poem, children. Please learn it thoroughly and try to solve the question answers given at the end of the poem in the workbook and the textbook. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.